Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today I'm going to show you the new build up of my studio and how it looks now. I'm going to go ahead and show you each and every component over here, how I fixed. There's a little cleaning up to do, but I think so this video will at least show you how you can have a rough studio built within a small space. So let's go ahead and start that. Okay guys, so this is the studio now. As you can see, this is all the old stuff behind which I do have to clean one day. But as you see, there's no much clutter over here, and soundproofing is done by that bed now. And there's a lot of space in between to walk over here. So if you see, this one is my new chair over here for recording purposes, and that is my unboxing table which you have always seen with few things on it, for which I'll be making a video which I'm going to unbox later. And my system is kept in two portions. One monitor is there, one monitor is here. For ease of access, there are totally three tables if you see. And here's one of the webcams, and there is the second webcam. Here's the third webcam. There is my DSLR. And if you go behind and see, there's another webcam over here from the behind, and this gives the hall light. And to be saying about the lights, if you see this out, you do have RGB strip over here around this, and if you see behind, there's an RGB strip, and behind is fully lit up by RGB bricks, which I already shown in one of my videos. If you wish, I can leave the link for you over here. Now you might think how I fixed everything in this manner so I can go ahead and shoot in a solo way and do it. I'll show you that clearly. So this is my music composing box over here, that is for all the voice recordings and everything. And one light is over here which just goes off the bed, and that gives us soundproofing effect also. And the second light is over there. So there are two lights now built. So this is the computer over here, and it's with the CPU, the armrest, one monitor, two monitor, and tripod stand is here. And there's the speaker over there. And if you see, this is the light, and this next to the window so that everything is cooled off. There's the CPU, and if you see close by, this is the main brick. Which brick? It's a capture card, but the main one. So we are keeping that in a distance. The wiring is a little messed up, but anyhow I did manage a little bit of wiring till now. If you see below the system over here, everything is covered over here except few of the wires, but down on the ground, if you see, there are no wires. That was my ultimate goal of secluding it. Everything is covered here, here through this, and there's a channel going through which is done. And apart from that, there is another channel over here which houses all the wires, which I just have to tie a knot to it. I just completed the setup, but I just wanted to show you guys how this looks. We do have to switch on few more lights over here, and this setup for the shooting is actually good. You see this side, my green screen is there. Whenever I need to take any thumbnails or anything, I can go there and take. There's just an extra chair over there for anyone to come over. That's just an Amazon box with stuff over it. And there's a green grass which I have, so that even my dog can come and sit here while I'm doing a shooting or something. So that's for the setup part of it. I'll just clean it a little bit more and we'll check how it works. Thanks for watching so far. If you've come so far and you've been watching the video of the setup, which is a little messy, but it's good actually. With the soundproofing, as I showed you, a bed is over there for the soundproofing, which is the best soundproofing you can ever expect, because the sound bounces back, the light bounces back. this within a very small space over here. It's about not even 385 to 500 square feet, and we have done that thing over here. So that's the best thing we could do it possibly. So if you did like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe for it. And I'll be making a new unboxing video soon. So let's catch up that time. Thank you there. You have a wonderful day ahead.